Is your cat feeling a little under the weather? Cats can't tell us when they're sick, but they do show signs, if you know what to look for. In today's video, we're diving into the subtle symptoms of fever in cats, how to spot them early, and the best ways to help your kitty recover. Don't miss out, your cat's health could depend on it. Hello, cat lovers. Welcome back to Cattitude Care, where we uncover everything you need to know about your feline companions. If you're a proud cat parent, you know how important it is to keep your furry friend healthy and happy. But what happens when they start acting a little strange? Fever in cats is more common than you think, and spotting the signs early can make all the difference. Stick around, because today we'll be covering the telltale signs that your cat might have a fever, what causes fever in cats, simple steps to take care of your feline friend at home, and when it's time to visit the vet. Hit that like button if you're ready to learn, and don't forget to subscribe for more pet care tips. Signs your cat has a fever. Lethargy is one of the most common signs of fever in cats. Normally active and furious cats may suddenly seem uninterested in their surroundings. They might sleep more than usual, avoid playing, and even seem weak when walking or jumping. This lack of energy occurs because the fever is draining their body's energy reserves. If your cat is noticeably less active, it's time to observe them closely for other symptoms. A fever can suppress your cat's appetite, leading them to refuse meals they usually enjoy. This happens because their body prioritizes fighting off infection or illness, which can alter their sense of taste and make them less interested in eating. Watch for uneaten food in their bowl or a lack of interest when you offer treats. A loss of appetite lasting more than 24 hours is a red flag that requires immediate attention. When cats have a fever, their body temperature rises, and you may notice their ears or paws feeling unusually warm to the touch. These areas are easy to check because they're naturally exposed. However, this alone isn't a definitive sign, as environmental factors like heat can also make them warm. Use this symptom in combination with others to confirm your suspicions. Dehydration often accompanies fever in cats because they may drink less water when they're unwell. To check for dehydration, gently lift the skin on the back of your cat's neck. If it doesn't snap back quickly, your cat may be dehydrated. You can also check their gums. If they're dry or sticky instead of moist, it's another sign of dehydration. Dehydration is serious and should be addressed promptly. Cats are masters at hiding when they're not feeling well. If your normally social cat is suddenly spending more time under the bed, inside closets, or in other hiding spots, it could indicate discomfort or illness. This instinct to hide comes from their wild ancestors, who concealed illness to avoid appearing vulnerable to predators. Keep an eye on their behavior and coax them out gently if needed. Shivering can be a sign that your cat's body is trying to regulate its temperature, while rapid breathing often indicates stress or discomfort caused by a fever. Observe their chest movements when they're at rest. If they're breathing faster than usual or seem to be shivering without an apparent cause, it's time to consider a potential fever and other underlying health issues. Has your cat ever shown any of these signs of fever? What did you do to help them feel better? Share your experiences in the comments below. Your story could help other cat parents. Common causes of fever in cats now. What could be causing your cat's fever? Here are the most common culprits. Infections, bacterial, viral, or fungal infections can spike a fever. Inflammation. Conditions like pancreatitis or arthritis may cause a fever. Toxins. Did your cat get into something they shouldn't have, like spoiled food or toxic plants? Unknown causes. Sometimes cats develop something called a fever of unknown origin, FUO, which requires veterinary investigation. Keep in mind that even a minor fever can signal a more serious underlying issue, so it's always better to err on the side of caution. How to care for a cat with fever at home if the fever isn't too high, under 104 degrees Fahrenheit or 40 degrees Celsius, and your cat is still eating and drinking. You can try these simple steps at home. Encourage hydration, offer fresh, clean water, and maybe even a bit of low-sodium chicken broth. Keep them comfortable. Provide a quiet, warm space for them to rest. Monitor their temperature. Use a pet-safe digital thermometer to check their rectal temperature. Avoid medication. Never give human medications like Tylenol or ibuprofen to cats. They are toxic to them. If your cat's fever persists for more than 24 hours, or if they show severe symptoms like vomiting or difficulty breathing, it's time to seek professional help. When to visit the vet, here's when you should head to the vet immediately. If your cat's temperature is above 104 degrees Fahrenheit, they're refusing food or water for more than 24 hours, they're showing signs of severe dehydration or distress, the vet will likely run some tests, such as blood work or x-rays, to determine the cause and provide the right treatment, which may include antibiotics, fluids, or other medications. Preventing fevers in cats. Prevention is always better than cure. Here are some tips to keep your cat healthy. Keep up with regular vet checkups and vaccinations. Ensure a clean, safe environment free of toxins or harmful objects. Feed them a balanced diet and keep their water bowl full. Watch for changes in behavior. Early detection can save lives. A healthy cat is a happy cat, and staying proactive can help you avoid many common illnesses. Now that you know how to spot and treat fever in cats, it's time to put that knowledge into action. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it with fellow cat lovers. Got a question about your cat's health? Drop it in the comments below. We love hearing from you. And remember to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more expert pet care tips. Until next time, keep your feline friends happy and healthy. Thanks for watching.